We are PrintFactory, and we are redefining the large format workflow. While our RIP is the fastest on the market, PrintFactory is so much more. Our colour-focused software tools can manage your entire production, guaranteeing you consistent colour, lower ink costs, smarter job prep, and less wasted media. PrintFactory's Calibrator tool turns your whole team into profile ninjas. With easy-to-use wizards, our unique device link profiling, and built-in printer recalibration, you'll achieve better and more accurate colour across different printers on every job. With PrintFactory, you'll reduce unnecessary ink consumption. Our Visu Colour Engine generates profiles with built-in ink-saving algorithms, reducing ink consumption between 10 and 25% without impacting image quality. And less ink means less substrate compatibility issues, less printhead wear, and less printer downtime. PrintFactory streamlines your job prep with smart solutions. Our world-class editor tool provides all the functionality of expensive third-party design software, allowing you to make last-minute adjustments, perform advanced tiling options, and use specialist ink features like one-click white generation, all without ever having to leave the PrintFactory workflow. And colour-managed image previews means you can soft-proof your job with confidence. What you see is what you get. The PrintFactory layout tool reduces waste media through intelligent nesting options, like stack nesting, true shape nesting, and free nesting, with just a single click. And when you've developed an optimal print layout for a particular job, you can save it as a template to be used again later, so you always get the most out of your media. PrintFactory is next-generation technology. Because our software runs in the cloud, all your profiles and print jobs are secure, accessible from anywhere, and storage is never an issue. And with PrintFactory, you're ready for Industry 4.0. We offer data-driven automation tools with full manual control, so you can track each order throughout the production and picking process. PrintFactory, 7 tools, 4 key advantages, with one result: better printing, bigger profits. Get in touch today at printfactory.cloud.